Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to implement face detection and object detection using ESP32 CAM with camera module using Python. Let's start. First, we need to connect ESP32 CAM module into laptop. Using the Arduino software, verify and upload the camera web server.inf file into the module. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor and press the reset button. Then you will see a message camera ready and an IP address. Open a web browser and type the IP address, then press enter. Now a web page will be opened and click start stream. Then you can see the real-time video from ESP32 CAM. To enable the face detection, click on the face detection icon. Then the face detection will start. While working on a ESP32 CAM, I got an error in MD5 file does not match. Typing this command in the command prompt solved the issue. I uploaded another code for face detection and object detection using Python. By uploading the code in the ESP32 CAM, you will get the URL, and through this URL you will get an image from the ESP32 CAM. And when we call this in a while loop, you will get continuous images, and we can process those images using OpenCV. When we run the face detection code, the program will request the ESP32 to send the frames, and the Python code will receive those frames and process the frames, and it will display the faces. Running the object detection code, the Python code will request the ESP32 to send the images. The ESP32 will receive the request and start sending those images. The Python code will receive the images, then it will process and detect the object, and the output you can see in the output window. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.